Welcome back, smart shoppers. Today, we are diving into a drone showdown between the Holystone HS720 GPS drone and the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone. Let's get started. First up, let's compare the cameras. The Holystone HS720 comes equipped with a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization, ensuring smooth and clear footage. Reviewers have praised its ability to capture stable videos without any jitter. On the other hand, the Bwine F7 also offers a 4K UHD camera, but takes it a step further with 2.7K real-time image transmission, providing incredible detail. According to reviewers, the Bwine F7 excels in capturing high-definition images in real time, making it ideal for detailed shots. Next, let's look at battery life. The Holystone HS720 includes 2 batteries, providing a total of 52 minutes of flight time. Reviewers appreciate the consistent battery life, but note the long charging time of 5 to 7 hours. Meanwhile, the Bwine F7 offers an impressive 60 minutes of flight time, giving you more airtime. Reviewers commend the Bwine F7 for its extended flight duration, which allows for longer and more enjoyable flying sessions. Now on to intelligent flight features. The Holystone HS720 boasts GPS-assisted intelligent flight, including Follow Me mode, custom flight paths, and orbiting a point. Reviewers love its user-friendly interface and reliability. The Bwine F7 matches these features, but adds the ability to take photos or record videos while using these modes. Reviewers find the Bwine F7's additional features to be user-friendly and fun, enhancing the overall flying experience. When it comes to ease of use, the Holystone HS720 is equipped with multi-sensors for stable hovering, optical flow positioning, and one-key start-stop, making it highly beginner-friendly. Reviewers highlight its stability and ease of control. The Bwine F7, known for its drop resistance and quick start instructions, is also praised by reviewers for being highly accessible to beginners and durable, making it a great choice for new drone pilots. Finally, let's discuss price and warranty. The Holystone HS720 is priced at $249 and comes with a decent set of features. Reviewers find it to be a good value for its price. The Bwine F7, priced slightly higher at $258, offers a 6-month money-back guarantee and a 3-year warranty. Reviewers appreciate the peace of mind that comes with the extended warranty, making it worth the extra cost. Overall, reviewers have praised the Holystone HS720 for its stability, ease of use, and good value. The Bwine F7, while slightly more expensive, is appreciated for its extended flight time, detailed camera, and robust warranty. So which drone should you go for? If you prefer stability and affordability, the Holystone HS720 is a great choice. But if you want extended flight time and robust features, the Bwine F7 is your best bet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly smart, buy smart.